Only I can get away with something like this. Y'all know my name. I'm an uptown boy with soul flavor. The beat is D minor, but I'm oh so major. I do my own thing, so I owe no favors. Can't do
The scary shit gonna pop up. I'm not dumb. Yeah. No, you got me, buddy. That's nah. Sorry.
Press it.
Just watch the car. Just watch the whole car, the whole time. Look at the car. It's like some Lord of the Rings shit. It's the funny shit I've never seen in my life.
Go.
Watch the fucking car. Got the Resident Evil, what you call the music?
Disney movie.
Look. Go ahead. Ready? It's a car crash. It's a car crash, nigga. Just watch the car crash.
This better not be no. Oh, I want to see that. I know what it is already.
No, go ahead. Just look.
I want to see two guys. I know what it is. The zombie.